We are going to have yummy, juicy chicken. Wondering how to start? Let's get. 4 tablespoons of oil, 1 tablespoon chicken masala, turmeric, salt, chili powder. Fry chicken first to get a crispy, yummy, delicious, tasty chicken. Don't forget to watch the video till the end to get the better idea. Here we go. Add salt, garlic and curd leaf for taste. Season the onion on the side of the pan. By doing this, you will save a lot of oil and minimize the oil content in your curry. Add spring onion on it, green chili, season it well. Add tomato, add green chili and make a perfect onion tomato juicy gravy. Wait for a little while, then mix it well. Add turmeric, add 2 tablespoons of chicken masala based on your requirement. Add red chili powder. Mix it well, the gravy. Mix it well, the gravy. Add little bit of water for gravy texture. Add little bit water to get gravy texture. Mix it well with the chicken. My mouth is becoming watery. My mouth is becoming watery. Mix it well with the chicken. My mouth is becoming watery. Lid for 5 minutes. See, the chicken is ready. Here we good to go. Yummy juicy chicken curry. Thank you. Enjoy your meal.